Alright guys, so I have this turbo USB-C charger, and it was quite useful. Once this part was break, and due to that there was no connectivity, so it was not working again. So I thought this was the issue, so I properly checked it. It's fine. Something is wrong with this board inside, so I have to extract it. It is basically glue inside. Let me remove the glue part over here and over there, then I'll show you guys. Alright, so I have it out, and you can see the board, there's no obvious burned or damaged mark over here or anything. So seems like everything is in its place. No swollen capacitor or anything. Alright. When I connect it to the power, this blue light is sort of blinking, and which means it's trying to power on and then it turns off. This blinking thing usually happens when there's a short within the motherboard, and due to that short it is not powering on. So let's measure the output capacitors here, and let's see if there's any short. Alright, so back on my table. So I prepared this multimeter probes for measuring the shortage. If I am shorting it, it's showing 2.8. Wait, here reset the precision. 3.8 amperes is showing short. Now we will measure here our capacitor, which is showing short. Oh, so we have 2 ampere shortage here, and let's see if something is getting hot while it's shorted. Alright, this 2 ampere. No, this seems fine. This transistor is also fine. What else should we check? Look at that probe. You have to do this by using chopsticks. If you know how to use chopstick, you can. Okay, now let's see. Oh, there's something hot. Oh, there's a hot spot. This is getting hot. Okay, let me show you guys. See, this part is getting evaporated because it's too hot. See, when I'm connecting this and here, see, this is suddenly melting, this part. So what we have here, we'll see. It's too occupied here. To blur. Something between this and this is shorted. I can see 2 ICs here. We turn on the lights. Now you can see. Okay. Wait a second. Turn off the camera. I can see closely over here. Oh, there it is. Over there we have a capacitor and there is an IC. Either this capacitor is not okay, this is shorted, or that these ICs over there or this one is shorted. This capacitor I'm talking about, the ceramic capacitor, this might be shorted. Let me remove it by breaking it. We have no other way to work in such a tight condition. Okay, if it's it works. Otherwise I don't have that IC, I'll let it go. Okay, so the only condition is I should break that capacitor. I will put a replacement capacitor here somewhere. Okay, let me do it. Put the camera back. Alright, we have the flapper here. Okay, so the camera position is changed. Wait, now there it is. I should use a scissor here. Alright. Okay, I broke off the capacitor here. The capacitor. And now it went inside somewhere. It is stuck somewhere. But let's see if we have a short or not. Okay, my multimeter broke the back. It on the meter. Let's measure it again. Oh, well, the short is gone. That's amazing. The short is gone. See guys, the short is gone, so it might just work. But this is a reverse polarity, but this is, you know, so it means we are done. We should put it back and we should test it. Okay, now let's test it. Take out the camera. Okay, so which one is this? Oh, yes. It's working. Previously it was blinking. Now it's constant. I'm hoping it will charge. Let me turn off the flash. And this my speaker is on charging. Let me try to put that here. Although this is a quick charger, but let's see. Yep, the red light is there. It means it's working. Whoa, it's fixed. I should glue it back. It's amazing. Perfect fix.